In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally make $30 every single day by literally playing games on your phone. So you guys add me right, but before I literally dive into the video, I would like to show you guys pro, because I love to show my subscribers, my student pro, before I come over to my channel right here and share with you this update. So right here, I'm going to be coming over to my email right here. So once I come over to my email right here, you can see right here, this is the payment of $100 sent to me by PayPal. You can see right here, these are different kind of PayPal notification. You can see right here, this is $30, this is $100, and this is $10. So this notification keeps on going. So right here, I'm going to be reloading my screen right here. I'm going to be reloading, refreshing my email. You can see right here, I'm refreshing my email, and you can see right here, it's done refreshing and everything is still intact. But before I show you guys the app that we're going to be using to make this money, I know you guys might be thinking, okay, but PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria. Don't worry guys, in this video I'm going to be literally walking you through how you can literally create a PayPal account for those of you who have been looking forward to create a PayPal account right here in Nigeria. So I'm going to be walking you through how you could also create a verified PayPal account that you can use to send and also receive funds. So if you know you're really serious about making money online, I would advise you watch this video to the end, because this is the best time for you to start making money online, especially in Nigeria. You need to start earning in dollars, because right now $1 right here in Nigeria is over 1,000 naira, and literally if you are able to make $30, that is a whopping 30,000 naira for yourself. So I'm going to advise you stick around, because I'm going to be literally walking you through step by step how you can literally make money literally playing games on your phone. So the first thing you need to do right here is to click on the first link in the description. It's going to take you over to the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store right here to go download the app. So this is the app that we're going to be using to make this money by literally playing games on your phone. So like I said, I'm going to be walking you through step by step. So right now, what you need to do right here is to create an account. If you know you haven't created an account, and in order for you to create an account, all you just need to do right here is to click on this save progress. So once you click on this save progress right here, it's going to prompt you to log in using your Gmail account. So you need to have a Gmail account. If you know you haven't created a Gmail account, I'd advise you create one for yourself right now. So right now, I'm going to be literally logging in using my Gmail account. So just click on the Gmail account you know you want to create an account with. So I'm going to be creating an account right now. So once you're done creating an account, this is how your account is going to look like. So I'm going to advise you usually use the link in the description, because once you use the link in the description, you're going to be getting a welcome bonus. So that's the reason I said you should use the link in the description. I can see right here I've gotten my own welcome bonus right here. So I'm going to be clicking on claim ticket. So once I click on claim ticket right here, the bonus is going to be added onto my dashboard. So right here, I'm going to be walking you through how you could literally start making money using this app. So right here, the first thing you need to do right here is to head over to the gaming section right here, because that's what we're going to be doing basically right here for us to start making this money. And you can see right here that different game that you could literally play right here that you're going to be getting money off this game. So just click on the play button right here. So once you play this game right here on this app are going to be giving you point. Then from that point that you're getting, you're going to be converting this point into cash. So you could just play different kind of game. There are a lot of games right here you could literally play right here. So you could just go through the game and check the one you know you like very well that you could play yourself. Then you could start playing this game, start collecting coins. Then the more coins you collect, then you could redeem these coins for cash. So you can see right here, this is a simple game that you could just literally play right here on your phone. So I won't be walking you through how you could literally play this game, so because I don't want the video to be long right here. And by the way, you could check out other games that you could play right here on this app. So in order to find different kind of game you could play right here, all you just need right here is to head over to the play button right here at the down corner right here. So once you click on the play button, it's gonna bring you to the place where you could get different kind of game. You could see right here, these are different kind of game you could literally play. And another way you could use to make money right here on this website is by literally watching ads, by literally spinning and watching ads on your phone. So you can see right here, if you notice right here, I just earned $1 right here by literally just playing a game right here. So right now I'm going to be showing you another way you could use to earn money right here on this app. So in order to earn money right here, all you need to do right here is to go over to this section right here, which is the spin section right here. So you're gonna be literally spinning and you're gonna be winning. So once you spin right here, they're gonna give you the ability right here to win different kind of cash. So this is the best way that you can literally use to make a lot of money for yourself. And by the way, you could also watch some ads right here on this app. So once you watch some ads right here on this website right here, they're gonna be giving you different kind of money and different kind of points that you can redeem. So once you watch this ad right here, you're gonna be getting points. And also there are different, like I said, there are different way you can use to make money on this app. Is that you play games, or you do the spin option, or you could literally just watch ad right here on this app right here. So I'm gonna be clicking on the spin button right here to see if I can literally, you can see right here I just earned $0.10 right here, and my total earnings right here is now $1.15. So to tell you right here that you can literally make money online using this app. So these are live proof right here. And by the way, if you know you're getting any value from the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here, like the video, because my video is all about making money, because I literally teach you guys how you can literally make money right here on my channel, I come over to this place and give you guys sure and legit update. So once you already have a minimum amount of $10, that is the minimum amount of $10. So once you have the minimum amount of $10, you'll be able to withdraw your money into your PayPal account. Like I said I'm going to be walking you through how you can withdraw your money into your PayPal account. So in order for you to withdraw your money, all you need to do right here is to come over to the withdraw option right here at the down corner right here. So let me put up that. So you just go over to the withdraw option right here, and you can see right here the option right here is to withdraw into your PayPal account. So you can see right here stated here that you need to have a minimum amount of $10 for you to be able to withdraw your money into your account. And by the way, you could also participate into their giveaways. They also give away free money right here, so you could just participate. You could go into their leaderboard right here to participate into their giveaways, and also you could also invite your friends. So once you invite your friends right here, you're gonna be getting some cash. So you're gonna be getting $0.15 once you invite your friends. So that's the best way you could use to make money. So the money I showed you guys right here was through the invite option. So I was able to invite my friends. That was how I was able to make close to $100 right here on this website. So guys, I just want to sound this warning that on this website you need to like be consistent. You need to take this website seriously, because if you do not take this website seriously, you might not be able to make the same amount of money I was able to make. So you need to grind hard on this website right here. Start playing games. If you know you can't play games, you could invite your friend. If you know you can't invite your friends, you could go with the spin button option that I showed you guys earlier in the video. Like I said I'm going to be walking you through how to create a PayPal account. So once you already reach the minimum amount of $10, you'll be able to link your PayPal account to this website. So right here, I'm going to be leaving a link in the video description to a video that's going to be walking you through how you could create a verified PayPal account that could send and receive money. I'm going to be walking you through how you could literally, get a foreign bank account, that is a foreign bank card that you could link to your PayPal account. So I'm going to be leaving two video in the video description. Just go to the video description, or you could go to the comment section. I'm going to be pinning the video right here to go watch the video. So once you're done creating your PayPal account right here, you can just come over to this website right here and start playing games. So I hope you find the video helpful. If you know you find the video helpful, consider hitting the subscribe button right here and give the video a like. And by the way, if you have any question you would like to ask me, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So I'm going to be putting a video right here, popping right here on your screen, literally walking you through more apps that you could use to make money online. So click on the video right here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next